verify that your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table are stored, and all bag has to be all the way under the seat in front of you. Thank you so much for your attention.
So we've done July Island, Skywatch, Skywatch twice. So the first time Dad called up, gave the person $20 went into the Walmart parking lot. I watched him answer and then walked right up. He got the shit. I'm like, no, and then he got the one that says y'all
JetBlue wants to welcome you to San Francisco, where the local time is approximately 11:15 a.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened and carry your items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim and gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after you arrive to the gate so we may better assist you. For information on connecting flight and back claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue loyalty program, where you can earn points with all of our flights, starting with today's flights. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially the New York-based crew, thank you for flying with us today. And for those are from the San Francisco Bay who would like to be the first one to say welcome home.